Let me start with a simple question. When you speak English, how do you usually feel inside?
I feel many things at the same time, sometimes confident, sometimes unsure.
That mix is very common. Confidence and doubt often live together.
Yes, even in one sentence, they can change.
That's interesting. One sentence can carry many emotions.
Especially when I talk about personal topics.
Personal topics bring feelings closer to the surface.
Yes, my voice changes without me noticing.
Voice often shows emotion before words do.
Sometimes I hear my own voice and think, why do I sound nervous?
That awareness is important. It means you are listening to yourself.
I didn't listen before. I only focused on grammar.
Many learners do that at first.
Grammar feels safe. Emotions feel risky.
That's a very honest sentence.
Emotions feel risky.
Yes, because emotions show something real.
Real things feel exposed.
Exactly. But they also create connection.
I want connection, but I fear mistakes.
That fear is very human.
When I feel that fear, my mind becomes slow.
Slowness is not a problem.
I used to think it was.
Many learners think speed means skill.
Yes, fast English sounds fluent.
But calm English sounds confident.
That's true. Calm feels stronger.
Calm gives space to emotion.
Space helps me choose words.
Choosing words slowly is okay.
I wish learners heard that more.
We can say it again. Choosing words slowly is okay.
Very good. Choosing words slowly is okay.
Very good. When I rush, I lose feeling.
Rushing pushes emotion away.
And then language feels empty.
Empty language is hard to remember.
Emotional language stays longer.
Yes, because the brain remembers feeling.
I remember sentences connected to moments,
Moments always have emotion,
even small moments,
especially small moments.
like ordering coffee.
That's a good example.
I felt proud the first time I ordered confidently.
Proud is a strong feeling word.
I said, I would like a coffee, please.
Simple sentence.
But my heart felt big.
That's emotional success.
I didn't need perfect grammar.
You needed courage.
Courage feels warm.
Warmth again.
Warm feelings help me speak more. They invite more language.
Fear closes language.
Yes, fear tightens the body.
My shoulders go up.
Breathing becomes shallow.
Words get stuck.
Many learners know this feeling.
They think it means they are bad.
But it only means they are human.
That sentence feels important.
You can repeat it.
It only means I am human.
Very good.
When I accept that, I relax.
Relaxation changes everything.
My pronunciation improves.
Because the mouth relaxes too.
Emotion affects muscles,
Yes, language lives in the body.
not only in the brain.
Exactly.
I wish schools talked about this.
Slowly, they are starting to.
Learners need emotional support.
Language learning is emotional work.
Emotional work needs kindness.
Kindness to self.
That is hard sometimes.
It takes practice.
Like language.
Just like language.
I practice saying kind sentences to myself.
That's a beautiful habit.
I say it's okay to make mistakes.
That sentence changes the mood.
My chest feels lighter.
That's the body responding.
My chest feels lighter.
Emotion moves through the body.
Language guides that movement.
I never thought words could calm me,
They really can.
especially when spoken slowly.
Slow speech gives time to feel.
Fast speech hides emotion.
Yes, it can be a mask.
Sometimes I used speed to hide fear.
That's very insightful.
Now I try to slow down.
And what happens?
I feel exposed but also honest.
Honesty builds confidence,
Real confidence.
not forced confidence.
Forced confidence feels fake. Learners sense that too.
Yes, authentic voices feel safe.
Safety again.
It keeps returning.
Because it is central.
When I feel safe, I speak more freely.
Freely is a good word.
Free speech sounds different,
It flows naturally.
even with mistakes.
Mistakes don't stop emotion.
Sometimes mistakes make speech charming.
Very true.
Listeners focus on meaning,
Meaning comes from emotion.
not perfect structure.
Exactly.
I think learners should learn feeling words early.
Which ones would you choose?
Happy, sad, nervous, calm, excited.
Those cover daily life.
I use nervous a lot.
Many learners do.
Saying I feel nervous helps me.
It explains your state.
People become more patient.
Emotion invites understanding.
That makes communication easier.
Easier communication builds trust.
Trust makes speaking easier again.
It's a positive cycle.
Emotion and language supporting each other.
Yes.
Sometimes I feel angry in English.
That can be difficult.
My words become very simple.
Simple is okay.
I say, I don't like this.
That clearly shows emotion.
It's not fancy, but it's honest.
Honest language is strong.
Stronger than complex sentences.
Often, yes.
Learners think complex means better.
But clear means effective.
Clear language carries emotion well.
Because nothing hides it.
I notice my listening improves when I'm calm.
Emotional state affects listening a lot.
When I'm stressed, I miss words.
Stress narrows attention.
Calm opens it.
Exactly.
That's why gentle teachers help.
Tone matters so much.
A calm voice makes me want to try.
Encouragement opens language.
Pressure closes it.
Yes.
I once had a teacher who smiled a lot.
How did that feel?
I spoke more without thinking.
That's emotional safety.
It didn't feel like a test.
It felt like conversation.
Conversation feels human,
Language was born in conversation.
not in exams.
Exactly.
I think learners should talk about feelings more.
In any language.
Yes, even simple feelings.
Simple feelings are powerful.
Like tired.
Very useful word.
When I say I'm tired, people understand.
Understanding feels good.
It feels like being seen.
Being seen builds confidence.
Confidence grows quietly.
Quiet growth is real growth.
I like that idea.
You can keep it.
Quiet growth is real growth.
Very nice.
When learners feel slow progress, they feel sad.
That sadness is normal.
They compare themselves to others.
Comparison hurts emotion.
Hurt emotion blocks language.
Yes,
I try to compare myself only to myself.
that's healthy.
I ask, can I express more than before?
That's the right question.
Even one new sentence matters,
It really does.
especially emotional sentences.
Because they reflect real change.
I remember learning to say, I'm proud of myself.
That's a big step.
It felt strange at first,
Many people feel that.
but saying it changed how I felt.
Words can rewire feelings.
I felt stronger after saying it.
Language shapes identity.
English becomes part of who you are.
A new voice inside you.
That voice feels different.
But still you.
Yes, still me.
Just expressed differently.
Sometimes braver.
Sometimes softer.
I like that balance.
Balance is emotional maturity.
Language learning builds that too.
Absolutely.
I feel calmer now than when we started.
I can hear that.
Talking about emotion creates calm,
It often does.
even for listeners.
Especially for listeners.
They feel less alone.
That's very important.
Many learners feel alone with fear.
Sharing normalizes it.
Normal fear feels lighter.
Yes.
I want learners to hear that fear is okay.
Fear means you care.
Caring is good.
It means learning matters.
When learning matters, emotion appears.
Emotion means engagement.
Engagement helps memory.
Everything connects.
Language, body, emotion, memory,
All together.
not separate.
Never separate.
I notice when I accept emotion, my pauses feel natural,
Pauses are part of speech.
not mistakes.
Exactly.
Pauses give space to think.
And to feel.
Feeling guides the next word.
Very true.
I think learners should not fear silence.
Silence is meaningful.
Silence can show thinking
Or care.
or emotion.
Yes.
Sometimes I pause because I feel something strong.
That's okay.
I used to rush past that feeling,
Now you let it stay.
and language feels deeper,
Depth comes from emotion.
not speed.
Exactly.
I want to say this clearly.
Go ahead.
You don't need fast English to express real feelings.
That sentence is very important.
I hope learners hear it
They will.
through calm voices,
Through shared experience.
through honesty.
Always honesty.
I feel comfortable right now.
Comfort supports speaking.
My voice feels steady.
Steady voices carry trust.
Trust makes listeners relax.
Relaxed listeners understand more.
Understanding builds connection,
Connection is the goal.
not perfection.
Never perfection.
I think learners should aim for connection.
That's a healthy goal.
Even one person connecting is enough.
Enough again.
Enough feels peaceful.
Peaceful learning lasts.
I feel like continuing this way.
Let that feeling guide you.
I want to talk more about how emotions change pronunciation.
That's a great direction.
When I'm nervous, my sounds get tight.
That happens to many people
My mouth doesn't open fully.
because the body protects itself.
Protection blocks sound.
Yes,
When I relax, sounds open.
especially vowel sounds.
I notice that.
Emotion affects clarity.
Calm improves clarity.
Very much.
That's why breathing matters.
Breathing is emotional regulation.
Slow breathing calms speech.
Exactly.
I sometimes take a breath before speaking.
That's a powerful tool.
It gives me a moment.
Moments matter,
In that moment, fear drops a little.
and words rise.
Slowly.
Slowly is fine.
Slow feels honest.
Honest feels safe.
Safe again.
Always.
I think this cycle never ends.
And that's okay.
Learning keeps evolving.
Just like emotions.
Emotions change daily.
Language adapts daily too.
That makes learning feel alive.
Alive learning is meaningful.
Meaning keeps motivation alive.
Motivation grows quietly.
Quiet growth again.
Yes.
I feel like I could talk for a long time about this.
That shows engagement,
Engagement feels energizing.
even in calm ways.
Calm energy.
A very good kind.
I think learners need to hear calm energy more.
Loud motivation fades fast.
Calm motivation stays.
It stays with emotion.
Emotion is the fuel.
Gentle fuel.
Not burning.
Warming.
I like that.
You can keep it.
Learning should warm, not burn.
That's a beautiful sentence.
It feels true.
Truth carries emotion naturally.
I feel grounded right now.
Grounded is a strong feeling.
My feet feel heavy.
That's presence.
Presence helps speaking.
Yes,
I think listeners can feel presence.
they definitely can.
Even through audio.
Tone carries presence.
Tone again.
Always tone.
I want learners to trust their tone.
Tone comes from feeling.
Feeling comes from honesty.
Honesty comes from safety.
Safety again.
The base of everything.
I'm glad we stayed in this space.
Me too.
It feels meaningful.
Meaning doesn't need rush.
I'm ready to continue exploring this.
Let's stay with it. As the conversation goes on, I notice something changing inside.
Yes, I feel it too.
The words feel slower now.
Slower, but clearer.
Clear feelings help clear language.
I'm not searching so hard anymore.
That's because you are listening more.
Listening to myself.
Exactly.
I notice what I feel before I speak.
That moment is very important.
It gives direction.
Emotion chooses the path.
Without emotion, I feel lost.
Many learners feel that.
They know words, but not how to use them.
Because emotion gives meaning.
Meaning makes sentences alive.
Alive language stays with people.
I think that's why some simple sentences stay in memory.
Yes, because they carry feeling.
Like, I feel tired.
Or, I feel unsure.
Or, I feel calm right now.
Those are very real.
When I say them slowly, I believe them more.
Belief changes tone.
My voice sounds softer.
Softer voices feel honest.
Honest feels safe.
Safety lets the next word come.
I don't rush it.
You allow it.
Allowing again.
It keeps coming back.
Because it works.
Yes,
I notice I'm not afraid of silence now.
silence is part of speaking.
It gives space to breathe.
Breathing supports emotion.
Emotion supports language.
They support each other.
I feel present in this moment,
Presence is powerful.
even without big words,
Big words are not needed here.
just real ones.
Real ones are enough.
I think learners need to hear that
They really do.
it's okay to feel while speaking.
Feeling is not a problem.
It's part of the process.
A very important part.
I feel more connected to English when I accept that.
Acceptance changes everything.
It removes pressure.
Pressure blocks expression.
Expression needs freedom.
Freedom comes from trust.
Trust in yourself.
Yes,
I'm starting to trust my voice more.
it sounds steady.
Steady feels good.
Steady carries calm.
Calm carries clarity.
Clarity helps communication.
Communication feels human,
That's the heart of language.
not performance.
Just connection
Connection through simple sentences.
and honest emotion.
I feel like I could stay in this space
You can,
without rushing,
without judging,
just noticing
just noticing.
what I feel.
And what comes next?
Sometimes the next word comes quietly.
Quiet words can be strong.
I'm learning that now.
Learning doesn't always feel loud.
Sometimes it feels like this:
Calm,
slow
grounded,
and ready,
ready to continue.
ready to speak again.
When the feeling is there,
And the word starts to form.
you don't push it.
You let it arrive,
One word at a time.
starting with something simple,
Something true.
like saying,
Like saying,
I feel.